Okay, so hi guys. यार देखो, I don't know I'll ever upload this video or not, but I'm just recording it for myself. Okay, so basically सीन ये है कि कल मेरा केमिस्ट्री का पेपर है and I haven't studied a single thing for it. Like not even a single thing. Like I don't even remember the elements name from 1 to 20. यार देखो इंग्लिश में नहीं बात कर रहा. I'll just talk in really simple हिंदी only. Because ये मेरे को खुद किसी को दिखानी नहीं है, but rather it's just my own journal, right? Okay, so the thing is कि कल मेरा केमिस्ट्री का पेपर है एंड भाई मैंने उसके लिए कुछ नहीं पढ़ा है, ठीक है? मतलब लिटरली कुछ नहीं. सो सो कल मेरा है गाइस. So tomorrow is my chemistry paper and the thing is that I haven't studied a single thing for it. Like literally zero. Okay, so like I haven't studied literally one thing for the chemistry paper and I don't know what I'll write in that paper. Okay, भाई देख मैं सीधा पॉइंट पे आता हूँ. यार मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि that I am not made for science. Like भाई यस मुझे अब रियलाइज़ हो रहा है कि मैंने उस टाइम साइंस सिर्फ इसलिए ली थी दैट आई स्कोर्ड अ गुड परसेंटेज. यार आई डोंट नो. आई गेस उस टाइम मैंने साइंस बस इसीलिए ली थी कि बस बिकॉज आई स्कोर्ड अ गुड परसेंटेज एंड या so that was the primary reason for me taking science at that point, like 2 years ago. And these 2 years I haven't studied a single thing. In fact, I've been more attracted towards commerce and these business studies and all. Like I know that these are the things that will actually be helpful in your real world, right? Yeah, I don't know, but I feel like that I'm just not made for science. कि भाई अगर इंजीनियरिंग में भी जाऊंगा कि भाई अगर मैं इंजीनियरिंग में गया यार वहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा. मतलब तो पूरा टाइम साइंस ही पढ़ लिया है. ओके, लेट मी क्लियर वन मोर थिंग. अभी जो मैं ये शब्द बोल रहा हूँ इनको सोचने में मेरे को इतना टाइम पता नहीं क्यों लग रहा है. एंड देन आई जस्ट रियलाइज कि मैं पिछले 1 घंटे से यही सेम बात सोचे जा रहा था और मेरे को सोचने में बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं लग रहा था. लाइक आई जस्ट कंटिन्यूसली थिंकिंग अबाउट दिस सेम टॉपिक फ्रॉम फॉर अ रियली वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. बट व्हेन आई एम actually speaking these things out, I can't speak these things really clearly. And I had seen a video of a YouTuber called Dr. Sid Warrior, and he's a really renowned YouTuber. Like in that video, like that video was related to overthinking. Like I was suffering from overthinking around some time back. Like I won't tell the exact time, but yeah, I was suffering from overthinking some time back, and I was just trying to find a solution for that problem, and I came across a video of Dr. Sid Warrior, and in that video he told that part that the part of our brain that is actually involved in overthinking is somewhere here or here, but the part that we use to either write or speak is I, I think he said something called peripheral nebula. Okay, I won't take the name because I actually don't remember what he said. But yeah, so the basic gist of the video was that the part that we use for overthinking of our brain is located somewhere near here or here. Okay, and the part that we use for speaking or either writing is here. So like why we overthink is basically because of this part. And if you want to stop overthinking, then there is very really simple solution. Like the solution is just, bro, that you must have heard that if you want to stop overthinking you should practice mindfulness, you should do meditation, which are all true. I won't say that they are wrong, but yeah, they are also true. But uh, let me tell you the real solution that has actually worked for me and is even working right now. So the solution is that, bro, you gotta express your thoughts. It can be verbally or it can be in a written form, right? uh, you can tell your thoughts to a paper, your diary, your friends, or like as just what I am doing. Like you can record your thoughts on via your mobile. Like uh, wait, let me just show it to you. No, okay. As you, if you can see my setup right now in this phone, like here is my phone, and I am recording the video using the front camera. And if you can see, like there is this phone, then here is this uh, mm, really mic attached to it, and here is the mic if you can see. Okay, so yeah, so like what you can do is that you can just record your thoughts. Like you need to express your thoughts if you want to stop overthinking. Like that is what I am also doing right now. And yeah, pretty simple. mm, now coming to the next thing. Yes. Okay, my mic is working really great. I was just testing the quality of my mic. Don't think that what bullshit I am doing, right? Bro, you know what? Why am I smiling? Because this is what my dream was last year, to record videos like this. And I guess that I have now like I am on the way to complete that dream. Bye. So yeah, that is the thing that I am feeling that I am not made for this science thing. Like, भाई पता नहीं यार क्या. Like I'm even getting thoughts like I should pivot to commerce, but bro, I have my boards in like next 15 days, and I wasted 2 years in this science. I'll go either go for engineering, or I'll choose some other course maybe. I'll talk to my school counselor tomorrow. वो बात क्या है पता मितवा कहीं धड़कने तुझसे क्या जो है कहीं